Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock a chat on WhatsApp for extra privacy. Whether it's a personal conversation or something you just want to keep hidden, WhatsApp now gives you an easy way to secure it with your fingerprint or Face ID. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your WhatsApp and go to the chat you want to lock. It could be a personal chat or even a group. Once you're inside the chat, tap on the contact's name at the top. This will take you to the chat settings. Now, scroll down a bit and you'll see an option called Chat Lock. Tap on that, then tap Lock this chat with fingerprint or Face ID, depending on your phone. You'll be asked to confirm with your fingerprint or face. Go ahead and do that. Once the chat is locked, it disappears from your main chat list and gets moved to a new folder called Locked Chats. To access it, just go to the Chats tab and swipe down. You'll see locked chats appear, tap it, unlock with your fingerprint or Face ID, and boom, your locked chats are there. And that's it! You've just learned how to lock a chat on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.